Hello guys, in this video we'll be teaching you how you can enhance your old photo using AI. To begin, click on the link in the description below. Once you click on the link in the description, you'll be redirected to this page. Now on this page, you click on the upload icon, select the photo you wish to restore, then click open. Now wait for the photo to upload. Once done, click on restore photo. Now scroll down, click on download the restored image. Once fully loaded, right click on your mouse, then click save image. Now give it a name, restored image. Then click save. Now you have the image saved to your computer. Finally, this is the preview of the photo you just restored. Now you have your photo restored. If you find this video helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button.